2 of the 33rd Council for the Regulation of Engineering in Nigeria Coren Assembly officially kicked off with a grand opening ceremony bringing together engineering professionals, government dignitaries, and international representatives. The event began with an introductory remark by the Registrar of Coren, Professor O.A.U. Uche, who set the tone for the day by emphasizing the critical role of engineering in national development.
The theme of this year's assembly, advancing qualification and services and businesses in Nigeria, in lines of professionalism, compliance, and regulation, is not only that in its object. It speaks clearly with the core we must continue to pursue quality enabling services that meets global and global standards.
This was followed by an insightful opening address by the chairman of the day, Professor Bartolomeo Naji, former Minister of Power and chairman of Geometric Power Group. He highlighted the need for innovation and self-sufficiency in Nigeria's energy and engineering sectors.
So, fellow engineers, let us reaffirm our commitment to uphold the highest standards of excellence, ethics, and innovation. Let us mentor the next generation, sharing both our technical knowledge and our sense of civic responsibility. And to our government partners, I urge you to recognize that engineers are not merely service providers, but strategic allies in nation building. Together, we can harness technology rooted in our unique context to build a resilient infrastructure, support economic development, and uplift every Nigerian community.
In the spirit of collaboration, goodwill messages were delivered by prominent guests, including the President of the Nigerian Society of Engineers, Engineer Margaret Aino Oguntala, and the Tanzania High Commission, both commending Coren's commitment to professionalism and cross-border engagement.
I'd like to congratulate Coren and assure the Council that as a member, and particularly the firstborn of the engineering family, that I, on behalf of the Council and entire members of Nigerian Society of Engineers, and indeed the entire engineering family, will continue to support Coren and its very valuable initiative.
One of the major highlights of the day was a powerful paper presentation. The session was co-delivered by Engineer Senator Oyinlola Obesere, the former Deputy Governor of Osun State, and the Deputy Governor of Ogun State, Engineer Noimot Salako Oyedele, both advocating for standardized practices and better welfare for engineers. The President of Coren led a series of plenary sessions diving into topical issues facing the profession and charting the way forward. As part of the celebration of academic excellence, awards were presented to the best graduating engineering students from universities and polytechnics across Nigeria, a gesture aimed at inspiring the next generation of engineers. The day wrapped up with an inspection of the exhibitors pavilion, where cutting-edge innovations and solutions in engineering and technology were showcased. The 33rd Coren Assembly continues tomorrow with more engaging sessions and technical presentations as stakeholders build momentum towards a stronger, united engineering profession in Nigeria.